Hey, sixth graders. So, believe it or not, this might, and I hope, will be your last at-home learning activity. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start looking again at the causes of the Civil War. So, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is do number one right here, which is download the Twitter feed document. So, again, hopefully, this is the last time we have to do this. For this school year, and we'll all be doing this in person on the same days in school. But anyways, what you're downloading is this document. It's just a blank Twitter feed document. So you have areas to write or type, and then an area to add a picture or something. So after you have that downloaded to Notability, and you can put it into any file that you want at this point. If you want to make your own Civil War Chapter 8 uh, subject, go ahead and do that. We're going to do that on Monday anyways, but if you want to get a head start, go ahead and do that. After you have that downloaded, go to this website. It's the Duckster's website. All you have to do is tap on that link right there, and it's going to bring you to this website. So on this website are a couple different options and features. So here is a video. All you have to do is tap play here and then also unmute it so you can hear it, and it'll go through different causes of the Civil War. It's about a 3 minute and 29-second video going through that. Once you've done that, as you scroll down, you will see in bolded, which is a text feature, different causes of the Civil War. What I'd like you to do is just read through them, get an understanding of what they all might mean, along with the video. Once you have looked through that website and done some of your own research, number three here is kind of doing that, watching video and reading about the different causes. Number four is to create a tweet answering one of the following questions. So what you're going to do is use this document to tweet out an answer to one of those following questions. You can come up with um, your own Twitter handle here. If you want to put a profile picture, go ahead and do that. But the questions are, and again, you're just choosing one of these. Rank the causes of the Civil War. So we have these causes right here, all these text features: slavery, states' rights, expansion, uh, industry versus farming, bleeding Kansas, Abraham Lincoln secession, right? What you're gonna do is rank those from what you think is the number one cause down to, I think there were five different causes. What's the number one cause to the fifth cause? So you're kind of making a top five list. And then why did you rank them in that order? What was the reasoning for your rankings? And you put that in the tweet. If you don't want to do that one, you can do B. What do you feel is the most important cause of the Civil War? And then why do you feel that's the most important? Or C, looking at who's involved. Who are important people that you read about or learned about in the video? And what were some things that they did, right? You're going to add that again to this Twitter handle or Twitter feed. Add an image about what you are answering about, and that's all you're going to have to do. So once you're done with that, you just turn it in to this assignment, and you're done for the day. Let me know if you have any questions. Stop by office hours. I'd be more than happy to help you out. We'll talk to you later.